27 Storm Track weather with Senior Chief Meteorologist Bob Lindmeier.
Well, it took 17 days, but we finally had a below average temperature day in March. But boy, what a stretch of warmth we had. And through the first 16 days, these were the highs, as warm as 73 degrees on the 3rd. Remember, that is crazy warmth. And the only time below 40 degrees was on the 9th, and these temperatures are above average. Every one, even that 39-degree high was above average. We were almost 30 degrees above average on the 3rd. So we're at 12.2 degrees above average. 4th warmest March so far. That's on the heels of the warmest ever February on record. But then there was today. We broke that pattern and went below average. The low is 27, the high 37 degrees, and that will come out to be average of below. Now, we did have a brisk wind today, northwest winds gusting as high as 32 miles per hour in Madison, 35 miles per hour in Lone Rock. It was that wind that ushered in the cold air, and consequently, temperatures actually fell into the afternoon hours from the morning. Here, current wind speed still brisk out there. Those breezy winds will continue as we head into early in the week. And here's the temperature and the wind chill. You can see there's quite a separation. The mercury itself 30 to about 33 degrees, but it feels about 10 degrees colder because of that wind. Over the upper Midwest, a large chilly air mass in place. Now, this is nothing unusual, just a bit below average for this time of year, but the wind is making it feel colder. Feels like 4 degrees right now in Marquette. You go down to Chicago, it feels like 26. There have been a few flurries in the sky, but nothing that's accumulated. There have been a few, actually, some lake effect snow showers in lower and upper Michigan. But for us, it's going to stay quiet as we go into the early part of the week. High pressure to the west will dominate. Plenty of sunshine for tomorrow going into Tuesday. Before this front passes through, we'll have a southwesterly wind and a warm up for your Tuesday, but it will promptly cool back down again for Wednesday behind that frontal boundary, and we're going to stay with below normal temperatures the way it looks late for the rest of the week. And there's a potential of snow. I pulled out one of the long-range computer models. Again, this is a long ways off. It's subject to change, to say the least, but it shows the potential that we could have actually some accumulating snow later Thursday going into early Friday. So that's something we'll keep an eye on. In the meantime, temperatures look like this. Overnight, we'll be dropping down into the low 20s. Tomorrow, we'll recover again into the 30s. As we head into Tuesday, though, start off in the low 30s and we'll be well into the 40s, near 50 degrees by Tuesday afternoon. But wind chill still a factor as we go through the night, dropping down into the low teens to start off our Monday, and we'll keep high temperature, or wind chills rather, just in the 20s by Monday afternoon. So still a winter coat day on the way. Temperature trend, we do have that surge of warmth Tuesday. Then we're back to somewhat below normal temperatures as we go through most of the week. So overnight, a few evening flurries, otherwise mostly cloudy skies, low down to 22. Tomorrow, partly sunny, high 38. Northwest winds 10 to 15, making it feel somewhat colder. After that, milder for your Tuesday with a high of 51. Wednesday, colder with sunshine with a high of 39. There's that snow potential I was talking about. It looks like it's going to be mainly Thursday night. We'll keep an eye on that. And after that, still a mixed precipitation possibility as we go into the upcoming weekend. So a quiet stretch, but it will be turning unsettled later in the week.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, Bob.